Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
सिटीजन्स ऑफ माडेल आणि मुंगूल हाजे आचरेकाल एक इनिशिएटीव घेतला हो शॉर्टकट रोड म्हणून जायते जाण भायले हांगासर स्पीड मारतात ताका आमी मागतात ह्या रस्त्यार स्पीड मारी नाकात. पावस सुरू जातलो म्हणटकूच तुमकां खबर आसा धाकटे धाकटे आयदनांनी इल्लेशें उदक उरलें म्हणटकूच हो डेंगू तयार जावपाक शकता. सो हे तुमी एवॉयड करचें.
We have got different problems. One is regarding the garbage is a main problem. Our ward is nearly touching the villages. So and amge garbage points which are on the main road, they are becoming into black points.
Francis has put up his difficulties, like what is happening in ward number 1. First he told me he wants to keep the Marel clean, Marel Mungul clean. Secondly, that there is some transport problem here, some speed breakers, and people are moving very fast. So I'll help them in all these things. After being a chairperson, I have promised Kelala that Sonsoro I'll clean Kotolomuran. That inert there will be transported to the KTC bus stand. So there was some problem regarding some NOCs and all. No? Today we have got all the NOCs, and today we have started it again. So now there were a lot of trucks have been transported there, and with that I'll be trying to solve the problem, and the inerts will be transported to the KTC bus stand. Yeah, the inert will be filled with covered by the red mud, and with the roller there won't be any problem for the people.
We, the friends of Chole College, which were studying together, they initiated and got a samplings of plants, and we have planted around 60 to 65 samplings on the ground at Dauli, which you can see in the surrounding areas. So it is a great initiative by my friends and the Dauli Sports Club